corn preparation. Corn has been an important crop to the Choctaw tribe since ancient times. The Choctaw translation of corn is tanchi. Tanchi is incorporated into several Choctaw dishes, with the most notable dish being hotponi, which in Choctaw means hominy. Refining the tanchi requires a 4-step process. The first step, tanchi hose, is pounding the corn. Step 2, Yohli, is sifting. Step 3, Mashka, is winnowing. And step 4, Loffi, is cleaning the kernels. Donna Williams of the Bokchido community demonstrates how to prepare tanchi the traditional way. Miss Williams describes how to tell when the tanchi is ready for the next step. Step 2. Separator. You don't want it. You're going to have to go back and knock them off a lot. And put sardine out of it. Are you really sure me? Inside, not the whole last year. Step 3 had a Mashka. Yohli tali want no take Mashka left. Get all that hakshukma. It separated it. Step 4. Loffi. The final step in the process is cleaning any remaining pieces of hull off of the corn kernels. This is done by hand. The 4-step process is repeated again for the remaining kernels of corn that need more refinement. This, along with other traditional practices, has been passed down through many generations and is a part of Choctaw culture and identity.